This tutorial is about scripts files. Scripts are files that define one or more transformations and the way they are connected to each other in the image tree. Script files perform several useful functions. Saving a record of your work on one or more images so you can pick up editing later right where you left off or make changes to any stage of the workflow. Applying the same sequence of operations to multiple images. Sharing workflows you have developed. I have already opened an image with 4 transformations and 2 masks. I want to save my work in a scripts file so that I can continue working on this image at another time. First, we need to choose from which thumbnail we want to save the workflow. In this case, I choose the last image of the image tree. Saving a script based on this image records all the transformations including the 2 masks. There are 3 forms of the save script command. While mostly the same, they deal differently with the original image files on which the final image depends. Save script with image names. This option includes the path names of the original files, but does not save the files themselves. This is the option to use when working on an image that you want to refine later. Save script without image names. This option omits the path names of the original files. This lets you save the workflow you used to create an image and apply it to other image files. When you open a script without image names, Picture window asks you for the names of the files you want to open. When asking for path names, the initial folder is set to your default folder if the original file was opened with File Open from default. Otherwise, the initial folder is the one used by the last File Open command. Save script with image copies. This option saves copies of all the original files in a folder with the same name as the script file. You can set the file type to save as in File or Preferences. This option is useful for archiving images you might want to edit later when you don't want to worry about one of the original images being deleted, edited or renamed in the interim. Files are saved with their original file names to make it easier to tell where each one came from. In the event that 2 or more files have the same file name, presumably because they had different extensions or came from different folders originally, subsequent file names are made unique by appending a file number. We rehearse and demonstrate what we just went through by first saving a script file of the image tree we have on the screen. Then we delete the entire workspace. Finally, we retrieve the deleted workspace using the saved scripts file and are back again ready to continue refining the image. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this tutorial and want to learn more.